Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Tom Zalaski.
And I'm Michelle McCormack. We begin tonight with two men charged with a deadly homicide and robbery in Green Bay.
The assistant DA cautioned the court about the danger he believes both defendants could pose if released. Local 5's Timothy Leteau live at the Brown County Courthouse now with more. Timothy?
Yeah, Tom and Michelle, after waiting for 3 days for these two defendants to appear in court, we're still left with plenty of questions as the case remains sealed. Now, what we do know from the booking log is that Aaron Walton and Joseph Poor have been in jail since Monday evening and were booked on homicide and attempted robbery charges. The district attorney's office is still filing the criminal complaints, and the probable cause statements remain sealed. Brown County Assistant District Attorneys declined to comment on the case, but say the criminal complaint will likely be filed when both defendants are back in court next Friday, June 14th. Walton and Poor were arrested and booked for homicide and attempted robbery later in the night after 33-year-old Robert Marshall was fatally stabbed in Green Bay Monday evening. Both police and the district attorneys will not comment on whether Walton or Poor have anything to do with the case. In the courtroom, the assistant district attorney repeatedly discussed the violent nature of the case. Here's what he said on why Poor's bond should be set to $1 million.
This particular defendant has a history of violence. He has a prior conviction for robbery. He also has a prior conviction out of the state of Michigan. He has a history of not complying with conditions of extended supervision.
And the other defendant, Walton, is facing a fugitive charge in the state of Michigan after being out on supervision. We will keep you updated as soon as we learn more. For now, live in Green Bay, Timothy Leteau, Local 5 News.